Hi students, welcome to 4th standard Computer Science online class. The previous class learned the input devices. Now we are learn about output, process and storage devices. The first topic is processing device. The CPU is processing unit of a computer. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. The CPU does calculations and communicate with all the computer other components. Okay. The CPU is called brain of the computer. The CPU is made up of three main components. They are MU, CU and ALU. MU stands for memory unit. CU stands for control unit and ALU stand for arithmetic and logic unit. The first part is ALU. ALU stand for arithmetic and logic unit. ALU does all the arithmetic and logic calculations. Some arithmetic operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and logic operations are less than, greater than. The next part, CU. CU stands for control unit. It controls all the activities of the computer and flow of data also. It tells other parts of the computer what they should do. The last one is MU. MU stands for memory unit. It stores the data and informations. Is also called storage unit. The next topic is output devices. The output devices are used to see the result of the work done by the computer. Some commonly used output devices are monitor, printer and speaker. Now we are learn output devices in detail. Okay students, the first output device is monitor. All of you see the monitor in many places. The monitor look like a TV screen. Then the monitor is most commonly used output device. It displayed text, pictures and video also. The monitor is also called visual display unit. The visual display unit in short form VDU. Many types of monitors are available, but the LCD monitor and the plasma monitors are used nowadays. The monitor are used to display the output. The output is displayed on the monitor is called soft copy. The next device is printer. The printer print the data on the paper. The printed paper is called hard copy output. A hard copy can include text and pictures. Then one more information, a printer work like IPO process. IPO mean input, process, output. Like input is a blank paper. Then printing on paper inside is processing. Then the printed paper, that means hard copy of the paper, is output. The last output device is speakers. The speaker is an output hardware device. The speakers are used to listen to music or other sounds from the computer. The next topic is storage devices. What is the use of storage devices? The storage devices are used to store data and information. Some storage devices are hard disk, CD, and pen drive. The first storage device is hard disk. The hard disk is present inside the system component, so it is not a portable device. It stores all the data of the computer system. The next device is compact disk. A compact disk stores large amount of data. Then it is a portable device also. Portable device means you can easy to carry yourself. Is also called CD. CD stands for compact disk. The last storage device is pen drive. Pen drive is a small portable device, but it stores a very large amount of data. It compared to work faster than other storage devices. A computer has a number of points into which you can plug in various devices. These are called ports. A pen drive is connected to USB ports. Okay students, the first lesson is over. The book exercise we will discuss in next class. Thank you students.